I'm Mrs. Mylon.
And I'm Mrs. Roberts.
And we're here to talk to you about the family engagement math piece that's going to come home in October. It is dealing with multiplication arrays. The first activity is called Talk to Me About the Arrays. It can be found on the very last page, so it's easier for you to tear off and send back. So in this activity, you're basically going to talk about what students notice about the arrays.
For example, you could say to your child, "Tell me about this array."
This array is a square because it has the same number across and going down. It has 8 squares going across and 8 squares going down. And the total number of squares on this array is 64.
So I could say 8 times 8 equals 64.
Yes.
Very nice. Tell me about this array.
This array is a skinny, long rectangle. It has only one row. There are 7 in each row. And I could say that there's one row of 7, 1 times 7. Or I could say there's 7 in the one row. And there's a total of 7 boxes.
Wow, very nice job. Thank you.
Now that you've talked about the arrays, it's time to play an array game. This is the second page in your packet from the back. You'll be able to tear that off and return when you finish. This game is called multiplication pairs. To play this game, you will spread out the array cards on the table in front of you.
Some of the array cards will be face down and some will be face up. To play the game, you choose an array card by placing your finger on it. You will use the product to figure out the factors or the dimension of the array card, or you will multiply the factors together to find the product. When it is your turn, you choose a card, place your finger on it, and say your answer. Don't pick it up until you've said your answer. For example, 5 times 6 is 30. Yep. Your turn.
I'm going to choose one that has a product showing. The product is 72. I think that by the shape of the rectangle, I know 9 times 8 is 72, but that looks more like a square. This is a longer, skinnier rectangle. So I think this is maybe 12 times 6. It is.
Good job, Mrs. Mylon.
I get to keep that one.
And play would continue back and forth until all the cards had been picked up.
The last game is called Array Flash. To play this game, you hold the arrays much like flashcards. You hold up the array to your child, and if they get it correct,
3 times 4 is 12.
they get to keep the card. If they get it incorrect,
5 times 7, 32.
is incorrect. You put it in a pile of the facts they don't know yet. Keep practicing that one. Let's try another.
1 times 7 is 7.
Nice job. You keep playing until you have mastered the facts. Have fun.
Keep practicing.